Well, moving on now to the other big story that's coming in. Virat Kohli, who's in the line now to take over as the Indian team captain from Mahendra Singh Dhoni as the ODI and also for the T20 format after Mahendra Singh Dhoni stepped down, has released a video. It's a tribute also that he's paying to the former Indian captain, saying he'll always be my captain. In this video, he's also taken the cause of the Bengaluru mass molestation. He said that I'm ashamed that such a behavior has come to light from and taking on and speaking to his fans, urging them to follow law and order. He's condemned the incident as well, what happened in Bengaluru, but it's coming at a time when BCCI is also deliberating. The selection panel is meeting today, and Virat Kohli is the name that is leading in the race to take over from Mahendra Singh Dhoni. The video that Virat Kohli has posted on his Twitter handle talks about that how it's a shameful incident that's come to light from Bengaluru mass molestation. He's also said that it is disgusting that such incident is coming to light. He's also said that those who watched and did nothing are cowards. That's what Virat Kohli has taken to Twitter to send out this message to his fans. And also, he said that what would you do if it's your family? Condemning the onlooker culture that was witnessed in Bengaluru molestation cases and sexual assault cases, the two cases that came out on New Year's Eve. Let's take a listen in to what he said.
To see something like that happen to those girls, and for people to watch it and not do anything about it, I think it's a cowardly act. Those people have no right to call themselves men. I have only one question. If something like that happened, God forbid, to someone in your family, would you stand and watch or would you help? That's my only question. And I think these things are allowed to happen, and people stand there and they watch these things happen and they're fine with it because they think it's absolutely fine for something like that to happen to a girl just because she's wearing short clothes. It's her life, it's her decision, it's her choice. For men to accept that it's an opportunity for us to do something like this and get away with it, and people in power trying to defend it, it's absolutely horrible.
Virat Kohli is joining the chorus of the other prominent personalities that have come online and taken the social media to send out a tough message and also condemning the Bengaluru incident. It's a slap on the face also for Karnataka Home Minister, who yesterday said it is a conspiracy by the BJP to malign the Karnataka state image, ducking from his own responsibility. Hopefully he's getting these messages, and hopefully also the residents are also getting the message on the onlooker culture that was on full display in Kamanahalli incident as well, where people just watched the entire drama unfold instead of intervening. Let's take a listen and once again to what Virat Kohli said, and also play out the other reactions that we've got and other celebrities who've taken to social media to send out a tough message.
To see something like that happen to those girls, and for people to watch it and not do anything about it, I think it's a cowardly act. Those people have no right to call themselves men. I have only one question. If something like that happened, God forbid, to someone in your family, would you stand and watch or would you help? That's my only question. And I think these things are allowed to happen, and people stand there and they watch these things happen and they're fine with it because they think it's absolutely fine for something like that to happen to a girl just because she's wearing short clothes. It's her life, it's her decision, it's her choice. For men to accept that it's an opportunity for us to do something like this and get away with it, and people in power trying to defend it, it's absolutely horrible.
एकदम डायरेक्ट बोलूं, दिल से बोलूं, आज अपने एक इंसान होने पर शर्म सी आ रही है। एक प्यारी सी छोटी सी छुट्टी बिताए अपने फैमिली के साथ केप टाउन से लौटा, बहुत मन से आप सभी को नए साल की मुबारकबाद दी। अपनी बेटी को गोद में उठाए एयरपोर्ट से निकल ही रहा था कि टीवी पर कुछ न्यूज आ रही थी, वहां नजर पड़ी। बैंगलोर में नए साल के जश्न में कुछ लोगों का वहशियत सा नाच देखा, खुलेआम सड़क पर है? उसे देखकर पता नहीं आप लोगों को कैसा लगा, बाय गॉड, लेकिन मेरा खून खौल उठा है। एक बेटी का बाप हूं, और ना भी होता तो शायद यही कहता कि जो समाज अपनी औरतों को इज्जत नहीं दे सकता, उसे अपने आप को इंसानी समाज कहने का कोई हक नहीं है। और सबसे ज्यादा शर्म की बात पता क्या है? कुछ लोग राह चलते किसी लड़की की हैरेसमेंट को भी जस्टिफाई करने की औकात रखते हैं साले। लड़की ने छोटे कपड़े पहने क्यों? लड़की रात में घर से बाहर गई क्यों? अरे शर्म करो यार। छोटे किसी लड़की के कपड़े नहीं, छोटे आपकी सोच है। भगवान न करे जो बेंगलोर में हुआ है वो कभी आपकी बहन, आपकी बेटी के साथ हो। ये बदतमीजी करने वाले लोग किसी दूसरे प्लेनेट से नहीं है, ये हमारे यहां से ही है, आपके और मेरे जैसे घरों से ही हैं। हम सबके बीच में ही घूमते हैं ये दरिंदे। अभी भी वक्त है, सुधर जाओ। याद रखना, जिस दिन इस देश की बेटी ने पलट के जवाब दिया ना, अगर तुम्हारी अकल ठिकाने आ जाएगी। अकल ठिकाने नहीं, सुधरोगे तो बात भूल जाओ, सीधा ऊपर सिधार जाओगे। और लड़कियों से भी मैं कुछ कहना चाहूंगा, लड़कियां किसी भी तरह लड़कों से अपने आप को कमजोर मत समझना। अपनी सुरक्षा के लिए पूरी तरह काबिल बन सकती हैं आप। ऐसी छोटी और आसान टेक्निक्स हैं लड़कों को संभालने के मार्शल आर्ट में। किसी के बाप में दम नहीं कि आपकी मर्जी के बिना आपको हाथ भी लगा सके। आपको डरना नहीं है, आप किसी से कम नहीं है, बस अलर्ट रहो, सेल्फ डिफेंस सीखो। और हां, अगली बार आपके कपड़ों पे आपको कोई ज्ञान देने की कोशिश करे ना, तो उसे कहना कि अपनी एडवाइस को अपने पास रखें एंड माइंड योर ओन बिजनेस। थैंक यू, जय हिंद।
दोस्तों, मैंने अभी वो टीवी पे देखा कि बेंगलुरु में एक लड़की के साथ दो लड़कों ने बाइक पे आए थे, एक बहुत छेड़छाड़ की और बहुत बदतमीजी की, और उसको जाती दफा उसको मतलब मोटरसाइकिल पे उसको बैठाने की कोशिश करी तो उसको फिर उस मोटरसाइकिल से धकेल दिया। बहुत दुखद है ये। और तब तक सभी लोग जागरूक नहीं होंगे, तभी सभी एक साथ इसको रोकने की कोशिश नहीं, तब तक कुछ नहीं हो सकता। और ऐसे जो असामाजिक तत्व होते हैं जो इतने घटिया और घिनौनी हरकत करते हैं, तब तक उनको सजा नहीं मिलेगी कड़ी से कड़ी, तब तक ये घटनाएं होती रहेंगी और ये बातें तब तक उठती रहेंगी, तब इनको सबक नहीं सिखाया जाएगा। इसलिए ये मेरी है कि आपको कहीं भी कोई ऐसा लड़का या ऐसे दिखते हैं किसी लड़की से बदतमीजी करते हैं, तो उसी टाइम उनको सजा दीजिए, खुद दीजिए या पुलिस से दीजिए, पुलिस को पकड़वाइए, तभी ये चीजें रुकेंगी। और इसमें सभी को एक साथ आने की जरूरत है, क्योंकि दिन पर दिन हमारे हिंदुस्तान में ऐसी चीजें बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ रही हैं। लड़कियां असुरक्षित हो रही हैं। लड़कियां जो हमारी बहन बेटियां, वो अकेली चलने में भी दिक्कत महसूस करती हैं, सेफ नहीं है। इसलिए आप सभी से रिक्वेस्ट है कि आप जहां भी आप देखिए कि आपके साथ आस पास कोई ऐसी घिनौनी हरकत तो नहीं कर रहा है, और जो करता है तो उसको आप अपने आप भी दंड दे सकते हैं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Going across right now to my colleague Nolan, who's joining us now. Nolan, it's India uniting against such kind of horror on our streets. Are these politicians also getting the message? Is the Karnataka Home Minister getting the message yesterday, who dared to call this a political conspiracy?
Well, considering the fact that celebrities and people from all across the nation, not just in Karnataka and Bengaluru, taking to social media, Devina, to actually to tell people that this is not right and what they saw was totally wrong and is not acceptable, it looks like they are getting the message, and that is one of the reasons why the Home Minister yesterday called for a press conference where he clarified, stating that he was not for this and that he respects women. He says that they are like my mother, they are like my wife, they are like my sisters. It looks like they are getting it, but it's also shocking because the Congress still calls it a conspiracy. They say that before the major show that is to happen from tomorrow in Bengaluru, they believe that the opposition is doing this in order to tarnish the image of the party, that's the Congress, and also the government over here run by the Congress. So this is the problem over here. When everyone is against them, when everyone is saying that something is wrong, you need to look, you need to open your eyes.
And that's the mindset. That's the mindset which is also instigating these goons. They know that they don't need to fear law. They know that their investigations will be prolonged. They know they can get away with such impunity, and that needs to be checked. That needs to be cracked down as well. The voices that are coming together and uniting against such horrific acts are just growing.